Good morning, everybody. Mr. Nash here. Happy Tuesday. Hopefully, everybody had a great Memorial Day weekend. Got a chance to spend some quality time with some friends and family. Maybe got some chance to flip some burgers and hot dogs and throw some of those old horseshoes, and just had a time to kind of relax a little bit before we get started in this week. So, what are we going to be doing this week? I decided to kind of shift gears just a little bit for the week and take a little bit of dive, skim the surface a little bit about everybody's most favorite thing to do at this point. All right. You guys have been doing it for a long time. Putting a lot of screen time in with this activity. It is huge out there right now in the business world. We are going to take a little bit of a dive on everybody's favorite thing, social media. And this thing, footprint. All right. So we're going to take a little bit of a dive that relates to social media and a footprint. Okay. So more to come tomorrow on that. I'll be dropping a lesson on that social media and a footprint tomorrow morning with a video lesson with the assignment. The assignment's going to be due not Friday. It's going to be due on Monday because we have these flex days. I believe they're all Mondays now from here on out. I'll be posting the video, just kind of set the week up on Tuesday. Video lesson will be dropped on Wednesday with the assignment. And then that assignment, instead of Friday being due, it's going to be due on Monday. Okay. And that's going to be from here on out. Okay. So whenever we get done school, that's kind of going to be the new workflow of the class itself, just because of the switch of the flex day. Okay. So watch for that video tomorrow. I'm excited to produce it for you guys, deliver it. And I can't wait to see what you guys come up with the project that you're going to be doing with that video assignment. So look for that again tomorrow. All right, now second part of the video, I want to and I will be pulling the winner for the 4th ever Where in the World is Mr. Nash game. So stay tuned for that. But before I do, I want to give you the answers to the 2 pictures that I posted last Thursday for the game. And again, guys, we're still going to be playing this all the way through school, so just kind of look for it on the stream of the classroom. All right, so 2 pictures were posted for the game. I'm going to be taking you to the highest point on the planet and then back down to the lowest point of the planet. So first one was a picture of someone wrapped up in this like crazy warm sleeping bag suit. And they're hanging out on this like little ledge, top of this mountain kind of deal. So that was the Hillary Step. Hillary Step is on Mount Everest, and the summit, the very top of Everest, is at 29,029 feet. Okay, so those are the 3 things that you needed to answer to get that correct for the game. So a little bit of information about the Hillary Step, and again, the Hillary Step is on Mount Everest, and I hate to say this, but it was a little bit of a trick question because the Hillary Step a few years ago got wiped off the mountain entirely by an avalanche. So this part of the route, it's no longer there anymore. An avalanche ripped this whole granite face right off the mountain. So it's not even there anymore. They had to kind of go around and make a little bit of a new route to get up to the top for this section of Everest. Okay, so the Hillary Step, it was a nearly vertical rock face of about 40 feet. So straight up 40 feet, granite rock, located just about at the top of Everest. And the Hillary Step is 28,839 feet. So when climbers would get here, they are exhausted. They have the oxygen masks on, and they are sucking on those O2s, and they are super close to getting to the top, but are extremely tired at this point. And it's the last push in this route to get to the true summit of Mount Everest. And it's said to be the most technically difficult part of this climb. So think about it. The most technically difficult part of the climb, and you are wiped out, exhausted. So it's got to be so hard for those men and women that are trying to summit Everest at this point. Okay. So again, Mount Everest, a little over 29,000 feet, and they're on the Hillary Step. Second picture that was placed for the game was a submarine. Remember, it was like this yellowish kind of submarine all the way at the bottom of some part of the ocean. So that part of the ocean that submarine was on is called Challenger Deep. It's a specific point on the Marianas Trench, on the southernmost portion of that trench, called Challenger Deep. It's located obviously in the Pacific Ocean, which is part of the answers that you needed to kick back to me. And if you're at that bottom part of the trench, at the Challenger Deep, you are sitting at 35,827 feet below sea level. So it's the deepest portion or point on this planet, is the Challenger Deep. To go a little bit further about Challenger Deep, this point actually got its name from the British Royal Navy's survey ship, the HMS Challenge. Okay, so back in 1872 to 1876, this survey ship was on an expedition, and they were the first individuals to actually record depths within the trench, and they located this super deep point within the Marianas Trench called the Challenger Deep. All right, so those are your two answers for the fourth ever Where in the World is Mr. Nash game. So it gives me great pleasure to pick the winning name out of the hat. And again, same as previous weeks, the winner gets a chance to pick an assignment of their choice to skip. You'll just be exempt from that assignment. You don't have to do it for the week. And that is my prize to you guys for being the winner of this game. So it gives me great pleasure to pick the winning name of this week, of actually last week's game. So here we go. All right, here's what we got. My friend and all of yours, Miss Melanie Craig. Melanie, congratulations to you on winning last week Where in the World is Mr. Nash game. I'll be emailing you in a couple minutes just to congratulate you and to make sure that you know what your prize is. And again, that prize is, Miss, you're able to actually skip a full week's assignment. So the choice is yours if you want to do it this week, if you want to do it next week, or whenever we kind of get out of here from school. It's your choice. So congratulations to you. Thanks for playing. Really appreciate it, stepping up and taking a chance with that game. So thank you for you. So with that being said, everybody have a great day. This is Mr. Nash, and I'll see you when I see you.